Hello, this is our second idea assignment and we are using data from the 2010 census. We are using county population numbers and county area numbers. The instructions are at the top and number 1 says import the census data into IDEA, and we need to abbreviate the name of the table. I'm going to go here. It will be data home import. It's a little delay. Import Microsoft Excel. I'm going back here and I'm finding my data, and on my computer it is in data sets, and there it is, census 2010. We'll do open and I'll do next. And what I want is everything is good except right over here I want to abbreviate the output file name simply to census, and we'll do OK. There we go, and I want a screenshot of the first 8 rows of data, so we go just to the bottom line, the bottom of 8, and in order to give me a screenshot of that, you would use the Windows snipping tool, and you'll be good to go for number 1. Number 2. Use the field statistics option. I want the number of records, total number of people, the min and the max. I would go right to the right here where it says field statistics. I'll give it a click and I'll do yes. And here we go. I have the net value, which is the total number of people, the number of records is given over there, and the minimum and the maximum values are given over there. The minimum being for Loving County in Texas, and the largest count being for Los Angeles County. Number 2, good to go. Number 3, extract the largest 8 records. I need to go back to the data, so I'm on the right there, giving it a click on data, and I'm back here, and I'm going to do, as it said, analysis, extract, top records. There we go. I want the top 8 records. I need to change that to an 8. I want the top records based on the field called people, and I do not want to group by anything, and we're going to change this to top 8. I want to keep all the fields. I've clicked on fields, so that's an OK, and there we go. I have the top 8 counties. Los Angeles, Cook County is Chicago, Harris County is Houston, and I have my answer for number 3. Number 4 is take a random sample, and indeed I need to close this, X there, close. And I need this open because I want a random sample from this table. So we go to analysis, random, analysis, random, number of records to select 8. The number seed is 582, which amazingly is our class number. Starting, ending, we won't check that. File name, and we can do rand 8 over there. Should be good, and I will do OK. And now I have a random sample of 8 counties. Amazingly, you will use the same data set, you will use the same procedure, and you will indeed get the same random sample. That indeed is number 4. Good to go. Number 5, run the first digit test, a screenshot of the first digit graph. I'm going to close this because I don't want the first digit graph of this data. I want the first digit graph of this, and I want the first digit graph of people. And indeed, we're going to go analysis, explore, Benford's law. Field to analyze is people, positive, create result, Benford is good. I only want the first digit test. And first digit test does not give these suspicious spikes, and I'm going to do an OK over here. Isn't this nice? First digit graph so quickly. This is a good fit to Benford's law. The expected counts are the middle line over there. The upper line is the upper bound, and when the actual proportion goes above the upper bound, which it doesn't, I have a difference that is statistically significant at the 0.05 level. If we go below the lower bound, which we might do over there, we do have a difference that is statistically significant at the 0.05 level, but this is indeed a very good fit. So the answer for the first digit graph is exactly this. Number 6 says, what level of conformity do we have? The answer there is the mean absolute deviation is 004. Nothing like James Bond, this is a 004. And the conclusion is, indeed, close conformity. And if we look here, this graph is pretty good. Number 7, I need to get back to my data, so we go here. Create a calculated field, SQ mile, which calculates the number of people per square mile in the county. Screenshot of the first 8 rows. I'm here, I need to add a field which calculates the number of people per square mile. I'm going to go and use this data, add. Field name is SQ mile, and we're doing OK. Oops. That's okay for that, but I need a description is PEO, people per square mile, and I need to give the formula, and I need to get that by clicking on the calculator over there. And people per square mile is people divided by area. I'm highlighted people, left double click, and it jumped up. That's divide, left click, area, double click, people divided by area, and we're good to go like that. Everything is good. Oh, number of decimals, 2, forgot about that, and we'll do OK. And there I have it. People per square mile, I have that number, those numbers in green there. Screenshot of the first 8 rows. We should now have 6 fields, which we do. We go all the way down to Calhoun in a screenshot of that, and we're good to go. Number 8, review the submission checklist and tell me that you did so. And with that, we're good to go. Bye-bye.